Hello everyone, myself Michael Ravina, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. The subject is CS 3551 Distributed Computing. The unit is Introduction. In this video, we are going to discuss about design issues and challenges of the distributed systems. First challenge, based on the system perspective, the following challenges are occurred. First one is the communication mechanism. For example, the remote procedure call, remote object invocation and message oriented is based on the system perspective. First one is the communication mechanism. Then next one is the processes. Here the processes means the code migration, process or thread management. These are involved in the processes. The issues involved are migration and the process or thread management at client and servers, design of the software and mobile agents. The next one is the naming. That means easy to use identifiers needed to locate the particular resources and processes transparently and scalable. Then next one is the synchronization. Synchronization means the mechanisms for synchronizations or coordination among the process are essential. That means mutual exclusion is the classical part. The next one is the data storage and access. That means various schemes for data storage, searching and lookup should be fast and scalable across the network. Then next one is the consistency and replication. To avoid the bottleneck, to provide fast accesses to the data and provide replication for fast access and with scalability. Require consistency management technique among replicas. Then based on the system perspective, the next one is the fault tolerance. Fault tolerance means that correct and efficient operations despite link node. Suppose any process failures occurs, these are included in the fault tolerance. The next one is the distributed system security. That means secure channels, access control, key management, authorization and secure group management are the various method used to provide the security. Then next one is the scalability and modularity algorithms, data services, some experimental systems, that is Globus, Grid. These are included in the scalability. Then based on the algorithm and design, the following challenges. First one is that means useful execution model. That means in the modern distributed system, there are the useful execution model and frameworks are available to reason with the design correct distributed programs. The models are interleaving model, partial order model, input output automata. Then next one is the temporal logical of actions. The next one is the dynamic distributed graph algorithm and routing algorithms. Here system topology and graph algorithm efficiency are included in the particular challenge. Then time and global rate. The time and global state based on the 3D space, 1D time. Then next one is the physical time, logical time, global state observation, concurrency missions. These are comes under the algorithm and design issues. Then also it contains a synchronization and coordination mechanism. The synchronization and coordination mechanism includes the physical clock synchronization. Next, that means hardware drift need corrections. The next one is a leader election. The next one is a mutual exclusion. That means the coordinate access to critical resources. The next one is a distributed deadlock detection and resolution. The next one is the termination detection. The next one is the garbage collection, that reclaim objects no longer pointed by any process. The next one is the group communication, multicast and ordered message. It includes the group process, group, multiple joins, next concurrent sends, then monitoring distributed events and predicates. Then predicate means condition on particular system state. The next one is a debugging environmental sensing, industrial process control, analyzing event streams. The next one is the distributed program design and verification tool, debugging distributed programs. Then data replication, consistency model and caching. It includes the fast scalable access, coordinate replica update, optimize replica placement. Then next one is a worldwide web design. That means WWW design include the global scale distributed system, read intensive, object search, then user perceived latency.